Hi everyone. So this month we are coming up with new batches. Okay, so let me share the details with you. If you are interested to become a network engineer, cloud security, cyber security, or DevOps. So if you go to our networkings nwkings.com, you can see explore courses, and in the upcoming batches, so you can see we have already added a list, and so we are running multiple programs this month. So recently we started SD-WAN program. We recently started a SA and FTD program firewall. We have Palo Alto firewall from June 7. From today onwards we have started this batch and still admissions are open. Then we have Fortinet batch. Then we have from 21st June we have Fortinet and CCNA, DevNet and DevCore, that those who want to get into network automation. And if you are interested for network engineer program, then also we are starting this batch. Okay, that's English. All these batches are English. So when it comes to Palo Alto firewall, now these all batches what we discussed are Saturday, Sunday, and let's discuss Monday to Friday batches. So Palo Alto's firewall we started in May, so that is still running, and we are still taking the admissions. 1 or 2 classes are already done. Okay, so and after that, if you see, we have Azure combo, Azure Cloud Security. Then from 26th May we started DevOps. Still admissions are open. 15 admissions are 15 guys have already joined DevOps. And from June, we recently started a CCNA program in English. Okay, so CCNA and RC Palo Alto combo. In AWS also, yesterday only we started a combo of AWS. Then we have Cybersecurity, and we are starting with SOC analyst, and you will get CH CompTIA SOC analyst and 13 June. Super firewall combo is also open, Palo Alto, from June 20, and it's a weekend batch. And then Azure Cloud Security. So if you are joining as a cloud security, so do not join this batch. This is for experienced candidates. The people who are freshers in cloud, they can start with this batch as your cloud security master program, June 23. And then we have Red Hat master program, where you will learn RHCSA, RHCC and OpenShift administrator. So this is all the batches of networkings. Okay. And the similar way, let me tell you, these are single individual technology. Like if you are wanted to get into firewall, you will join firewall combo. If you want to get into DevOps, you will join a DevOps combo. But we have career security, that's our in-house brand. So where we have combined the courses. Suppose you want to get into network and cloud both. You want to learn networking plus side by side you want to learn cloud security, because you want to save some time. Right. So if you go to our batches, upcoming cohorts, so you can see we are running some batches from DevOps to DevSecOps, networking to network and cloud security. Okay, so just hold on. Let me see. Yeah. So you can see we are running a batch, network automation and cloud security. Okay, and then we have network cloud security engineer, Palo Alto firewall. Then we have network automation and cloud security, where we starting with DevNet. So if you are interested in network automation, so you have two choices, whether you want to start with SD-WAN combo or you want to get from DevNet. Because ultimately in this program, if you go and check, so you can learn network courses plus cloud security and with the network automation. So the people who want to make career into networking plus cloud, so we are starting a batch from 28th June. Okay, so they can learn CCNA, CCNP firewall, plus they can learn all the cloud technologies like AWS or Azure. And these are Monday to Friday batches. So if you are interested in DevOps to DevSecOps program, so we recently started a DevOps batch. Okay, not just you learn DevOps, but you will learn DevSecOps also. Okay, the same way if you learn network cloud security engineer, so in this combo you will not learn networking, you will also learn cloud. So if you go and see the roadmap, so this is the roadmap. You will be learning networking plus you will be learning the cloud security, and this is how you will be able to apply for cloud security or cloud network engineer. And these courses are definitely you are going to learn from the top industry experts. Okay. And so it totally depends on like from where you want to learn. So we are creating a website. Okay. So the currently it's on test. So you can see when you have to find your perfect career program. So choose your interest area. Suppose you are interested in networking. Okay. Next step. So now you want to learn from HCL, Wipro, TCS trainers, or you want to learn from Cisco, Microsoft, or Juniper, Palo Alto, AWS, means directly from the top-notch company industry experts. So suppose if you are okay to learn from normal HCL, Wipro, TCS trainers, so then like if you want to focus on multiple technology or one technology, so then there is a program there is another affordable brand we have, that's Skill for Everyone, where you will be able to learn all the networking programs, cloud, cybersecurity. That's just for 2000 to 2500 per month. Means in total, if you check, the whole course fees is around 25 to 27,000 only. Complete CCNA, CCNP and Palo Alto combo. But again, that is your choice, that you are okay to learn from normal companies, experienced professional. But if you are saying that, okay, I want to learn from top level Cisco employees, or I want to learn from Microsoft, AWS or Juniper, मीन सिंपल सी बात, अगर आपको बहुत बड़े एक्सपर्ट्स जो इंडस्ट्री में टॉप कंपनीज में हैं, इफ यू वांट टू लर्न फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल एक्सपर्ट्स, देन you have network engineer program which start from 5,000 per month, and we have career security programs where you will not learn only one technology but you focus on multiple technologies, and that start from 10,000 to 13,000 per month, depends on your package. So that's totally your recommendation. So definitely this website is not published right now, it is still in testing, but next time whenever you fill a form in networkings or anywhere in our companies, so you will be getting at this career roadmap feature where you will be guided what courses will be better for you. And you can also see roadmap. We have already built a website where you can see all the career roadmaps. So how I can get into networking, how I can get into cloud security, how I can get into cyber security, how I can get into DevOps. So all these things are already mentioned. Okay, but these are focused on one technology. Networking has single individual courses, but if you want to learn network and cloud together, you have to combine two master programs or multiple. But because as industry need multiple skills, that's why we have built career security. So if you are interested for career security, you can go to our career-security.com. And if you are a fresher, you are okay to learn from normal trainers, you can join Skills for Everyone and explore very affordable courses. Like in CCNA, you can get, I think, 1,000 rupees off also. You can get CCNA for 6,999 only. All live classes and with lab access. Okay, but yes, the only thing why we are able to sell this rate or affordable prices. Okay, so because you are getting trainers from HCL, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, but networking trainers or career security trainers are top level experts. That's the only difference. Rest syllabus, content, everything is same, just the trainer quality is different. Thank you everyone. I hope you, and if you're a fresher, definitely you can go to Skills for Everyone and check the upcoming batches of Skill for Everyone if you're a fresher or beginner. And if you can't afford much, so you can join our affordable batches at skillsforeveryone.com. So let me show you what all batches are coming in Skills for Everyone. So sometimes when you open the page upcoming batches, this takes little time, but you can see we are running a CCNA batch from 12th June and the complete CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, and that's a Hindi batch. So 90% of the batches in Skills for Everyone are Hindi. तो CCNA, CCNP और Palo Alto आप पढ़ सकते हो यहाँ से. Okay, it's Monday to Friday 9 p.m. and we have AWS program also, which is starting from 8 p.m. Okay, so आप जैसे भी है, मैं तीनों वेबसाइट का लिंक, all three websites link I'll post in the video description, so you can explore all the courses. And by the way, I recommend everyone to subscribe all our channels. Okay, so you go to our homepage of networkings and you can see like networkings you can subscribe, and also you have career security and skills for everyone. Okay, so these are the two brands we have, and all recently we have added 10 hours of DevOps content in career security. If you want to make a career in DevOps, you can start by watching this 10 hours video. Okay, the same way, if you go to our skills for everyone channel, okay, so you go and see that we recently added some videos, how to get a 40% hike, or uh, like this is a data science video. Okay, बिना कोडिंग के आईटी करियर कैसे बनाएं, all these videos, and full stack developer workshop and all, so you can explore skills for everyone. So thank you all. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.